Enjoying the taste of fresh crab can take the form of a plump crab cake, cream of crab soup, and so many more classics. But have you stopped to consider crab pizza?
Never thought about it.
Yeah.
Never considered it. We're in the DelmarvaLife kitchen today with JoJo's Family Restaurant. You, of course, know I'm saying your name wrong, Duran Foscue. He's the executive chef and district manager. Congratulations on your promotion, and thank you so much for coming back with us.
Congratulations.
What are we talking about this afternoon?
So we're going to be talking about how we make the best crab pizza on the shore, how we make the best cream of crab, and how we ball up the best crab cakes.
Well,
Okay.
Let's get started. What do we do first?
Well, first we got to get our crab cakes up.
Oh, okay. So you actually made these ahead of time.
I sure did.
Mm-hmm. And oh, they look good.
Do we
How's
have
that
to eat
crab
that?
pizza looking?
It's looking. All right, tell us about making the crab pizza.
Well-
you said you've got fresh dough.
I sure do. So we have a bakery in our restaurant. So we make our own dough. We make our own desserts. Everything fresh at JoJo's, like you already know.
Right.
So we make our fresh dough. We dock it. We put it through a pizza maker. Actually, we have a pizza roller.
Yeah.
Then we put it through, and then we handcraft it, and then we put our cream of crab on top of it. We do cream of crab as the base, mozzarella cheese, and
So the soup, you put the
Yes.
soup on the pizza.
Yep.
Oh, that
Oh,
sounds
sounded
interesting,
wonderful,
doesn't
didn't
it?
it?
Sure do.
Okay, all right.
All right, I'm
So,
gonna get some gloves. Could
Okay.
do you mind grabbing the cheese out of here?
oh,
for
you
me,
need the
please?
cheese? Okay. This big thing of cheese?
Yes, the big
Okay.
thing of cheese. All right. So
That's almost enough cheese for Lisa. Almost.
I'm gonna put this back here.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab this. Alrighty. So we're gonna start off with our cream of crab
Okay.
right here. Look, you see those lumps?
Mm-hmm. You don't mess around. You put that crab in there.
I sure do.
That looks so good. We don't even have to go any farther than you got me.
Do you mind taking that out, Dad?
Oh yeah.
All right. And then we just spread it around. You can't put too much. If you put too much, it's gonna be too soupy.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be very, very, very liquidy. We don't want that. Oh wait, that's not even the best part. We still got more crab to put on.
What,
there.
really?
Yes, we do. Look at that. Look at the
Look
colossal.
at all
Come
that
on.
crab. Oh, you sure you maybe I need to
Check
quality
that.
control
Just to
here.
make sure. You
All right, then
can't.
we're
You
gonna
can never
grab
be
some
too safe
cheese.
on
Yep,
this.
that's good crab.
Yeah. Okay.
Best on the shore quality, right? All local fresh.
Crab pizza.
Now, can you customize the crab pizza? Like
Not at the moment, but that might be something we should invest in.
Yeah, because maybe somebody wants I don't know.
But a lot of people don't.
Yeah.
You can't substitute the best.
That's
I was getting ready to
true.
say, is there a way to make this
I
better?
put more things on it.
More
like,
things on it,
yeah.
okay.
I mean, Jimmy would want hot peppers or something.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe.
Oh yeah, you can. Of course you can. We're gonna make sure you get the best.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
we're gonna give you
There is
anything
no
you
doubt
want.
about that. I
Yeah,
know you guys
of
make
course.
sure you only give the best.
And I also got some crab cakes. I'm gonna show you how we ball our crab cakes to make them as beautiful as they are.
Okay.
All right.
All right,
and so
this goes in
that's
the oven?
Yep. This is pretty much it.
All right. Let me put
For
this
that.
right here for a second. It's
All
hot.
I will be
Watch
very
out
careful.
for that thing. All right. In the oven.
All right.
How long?
It's gonna go on for about 5 minutes.
Gotcha. Well, that's not long at all.
No,
My
it doesn't
goodness.
take long. We got some quick service at JoJo's. Like I said, we're the best.
Yeah. Okay. So
Right
what are
now-
we doing now?
We put more crab on top, but I'm gonna put it on our.
Is this how you serve it?
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay. How about I hold this for you?
Yep. I'm just gonna put that down right
Oh,
there, and I'm
okay.
gonna slide it right on.
And I'll slide right on. Look at that. That looks
Would
amazing.
it surprise you for me to say I'm kind of hungry now?
Of course you
I
are.
think that's his way of saying he wants to eat it because we only have about a minute left here.
I got you. Mm-hmm. Let me just put a little bit more crab on top. You know, I'm just gonna. I just broke it up a little bit, but
Just gonna
He
grab
just
it up.
keeps adding more and more crab. I like
course.
it.
All right. So while you do that, tell us what your secret is to making the best crab cakes.
can't tell you too much about that. But I can tell you that we use local colossal crab meat,
Okay.
and that we use lack of filler. As you can tell, it's just straight crab,
Yeah.
and we use Old Bay.
Old Bay.
That's all I can
Okay.
say. Old Bay and love.
It's
Bay
the
love.
love that makes
Yes.
the difference,
And
right?
that makes the perfect crab cake.
Look at that.
Look at that. That is a whole meal right there.
It is.
And can you order it as an appetizer too?
No, this is an
Share?
entree, but if you wanted to, you could definitely order it as an appetizer. And here's our crab cakes. This is our crab cake mix, but I was gonna show you, but we're a little bit running out of time.
Okay, but we have the finished product
Yes,
here.
we do. And look
I mean,
at 'em.
all it is crab and
Crab.
a little and
A
crab
little bit of Old Bay.
and a little bit of Old Bay. There you go. So, all right. So you're gonna dip into the.
Trying to think of what I did with my fork.
Do you need a fork for pizza?
Well, I guess not, right?
So you don't want to squeeze a little bit of lemon on top?
Oh, lemon!
Yes.
I hadn't even thought about that. Ooh, this is still hot.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah, we got to be careful. Indeed,
All right,
indeed.
squeeze me some lemon.
Little bit of lemon.
Got to give me 1 second.
All right, and while you're squeezing that, we're going to let folks know that we're actually coming back. We have more JoJo's in the kitchen. Going to talk about a wonderful, wonderful program you have going on, and it has to do with these glasses right here.
This is
good?
It's hot.
Taste the crab?
And this is
It looks very
delicious.
hot.
Thank you, Duran.
Of course.
Did you know that JoJo's Family Restaurant has the best cream of crab soup? You ought to know that. Did you know they also have the best fried chicken? You ought to know that. To say that they are an award-winning establishment is an understatement, and guess what? They also have drinks.
We have all the awards back here to prove it.
Right
Just
back
saying.
here.
Yeah.
We are in the DelmarvaLife kitchen with JoJo's Family Restaurant. This is Cindy Watson. Cindy is the food and beverage director. Thank you so much for coming in.
Good
pleasure.
So what have you got
Good to see you
here?
again. Yes.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is I have had so many frozen drinks, so they bought me a slushie machine.
Oh.
They bought me a slushie machine. It's they're rum-based drinks, blueberry, strawberry, and pina colada.
Okay.
Wow.
And I made non-alcohol
Yeah.
for us today.
Okay.
And it's got the blue. It's the blueberry, pina colada, and the strawberry on the top.
That red, white, and blue looks familiar.
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does. I
Yes,
think that would
it
go great.
does. In honor of this week,
Crap.
the 4th.
Tell me real quick about these glasses. You've brought these in before.
Yes, sir. Like I've said before, our military, our veterans are near and dear to our hearts. Yes, indeed. We sell these.
And you've got each of the branches,
Each of the branches, all 5 branches.
including
Yeah.
Coast Guard.
Including the Coast Guard,
There you
of course.
go.
We can't leave them
Yeah.
out, not this close to the water.
No.
No.
Can't do it.
No, no. Now, what we're going to do today is we have our veterans that are here today. We're going to give them a set to each of them.
Oh, you are the best.
Absolutely, absolutely. But we do have them for sale.
Right.
Individually, they're $6, but for all 5, they're $20.
Okay. That's not bad.
No, no,
Not bad at
indeed,
all.
no,
And
it's-
it goes to help a good cause.
yes, indeed,
Yeah.
our disabled veterans.
Oh, okay.
Yes, absolutely.
All right.
Yes.
All right. So, you gonna try this out, Jimmy?
Oh, I thought you were going to keep talking because I was going to sneak over.
Oh,
and
you were gonna
grab it.
sneak over?
Well,
Let's
you
try to
should.
keep it- Yeah? Pretty good, huh? Well, you got one too. How come we're the only ones working
Yeah,
on it?
yeah. Celebrate together.
I told you they were frozen, so be careful.
That's good.
That's really good.
Pretty and
Mine's
good.
pretty frozen.
Watch out, you get a brain
Yep.
freeze.
So,
No dangers.
this would be your first on DelmarvaLife. You know that.
That is good, isn't it?
It is good. I'm glad you got your your
sound-
slushy machine.
You sound surprised. You're the food and drink manager. You knew that was good when we started.
I did.
You did.
All right, so tell us about where's JoJo's. Where can folks find it?
Naylor Mill Road. Yes, indeed. We open at 11, and during the week we close at 9, and on the weekend at 10 o'clock.
So those not familiar with Salisbury, Route 13. It's right there behind the car dealership,
Absolutely.
across
Yes.
from Lowe's. All right.
Salisbury.